Imagine pulling up somewhere important and the room goes quiet, not because the car is loud or flashy, but because its presence speaks for itself. That's exactly the kind of energy the 2026 Toyota Century SUV brings. Today on Motor Verdict Meter, we're talking about a luxury SUV that doesn't beg for attention, doesn't chase trends, and doesn't try to be something it's not. The 2026 Toyota Century SUV has been revealed, and it might be one of the most confident vehicles Toyota has ever built. Now here's a question for you right away. Can true luxury exist without aggressive styling and massive horsepower numbers? Keep that thought in mind as we dive in. Let's start from the backside because surprisingly, that's where the Century SUV quietly flexes its status. The rear design is tall, straight, and incredibly composed. There's no oversculpting, no fake vents, no drama. The LED tail lamps are clean and elegant, stretching just enough to emphasize width without screaming for attention. The tailgate sits upright, reinforcing that limousine on stilts posture. Chrome accents are minimal but perfectly placed, and everything feels symmetrical and intentional. This is the kind of rear design that looks just as appropriate pulling into a five-star hotel as it does waiting outside a government building. Would you prefer this calm authority, or do you still want flashy exhaust tips and sporty spoilers? I'm curious what you think. Moving to the left side, the Century SUV really starts to show its personality. The body lines are straight, confident, and uninterrupted, almost like a luxury train carriage gliding on the road. The long wheelbase immediately stands out, giving the SUV a stately, almost presidential stance. Large, premium alloy wheels sit perfectly within the arches, not oversized, not undersized, just right. The doors are wide and solid, and yes, they feature soft close functionality because slamming doors has no place in this class. Subtle chrome trim runs along the window line, adding elegance without crossing into excess. Compared to something like a Rolls-Royce Cullinan or even a Mercedes-Maybach GLS, the Century SUV feels more restrained, more disciplined. Do you think restraint is the new definition of luxury? Now shifting to the right side, the experience remains consistent, and that's actually the point. Toyota didn't design this SUV to look different from different angles. It's meant to feel balanced and composed no matter where you stand. The tall glass area improves visibility and adds to that chauffeur-driven vibe.
Hand-stitched leather,
Power-assisted steps make
flawless
entry and
craftsmanship.
exit effortless, especially for rear passengers. Because let's be honest, this vehicle is built primarily for those who sit in the back. Even parked, the Century SUV looks like it's waiting patiently, confidently, knowing it belongs wherever it is. Step inside, and this is where the conversation completely changes. The interior of the 2026 Toyota Century SUV isn't just luxurious, it's intentionally calming. The moment the door closes, the outside world feels distant. Toyota has gone all in with sound insulation, and the silence is almost shocking. The materials are the finest Toyota has ever offered. Hand-stitched leather, real wood that actually feels alive, brushed metal accents that stay cool to the touch, and fabrics inspired by traditional Japanese craftsmanship. Nothing feels mass-produced here. Everything feels deliberate. Now let's talk about the rear seats, because this is where the Century SUV truly separates itself from rivals like the BMW X7 or Lexus LX. The rear cabin is designed like a first-class lounge. Individual executive seats fully recline, with powered leg rests, heating, ventilation, and massage functions that make long journeys feel effortless. Rear passengers get their own climate zones, their own ambient lighting controls, and their own infotainment screens. Privacy glass and power sunshades ensure complete discretion. Here's a serious question. If you had this level of comfort in the back, would you still want to drive? Technology inside the Century SUV is advanced, but it doesn't overwhelm you. The central infotainment system is large, sharp, and smooth, integrating navigation, media, vehicle settings, and concierge-style features. The interface is clean and intuitive, not cluttered with unnecessary animations. Rear passengers can control almost everything independently, from seat position to cabin mood. There's also next-generation voice control powered by adaptive AI, which understands natural speech and learns your preferences over time. You can speak normally, not like you're talking to a robot. Over-the-air updates keep the system fresh, meaning this SUV won't feel outdated anytime soon. Do you think modern luxury should focus more on simplicity rather than screen overload? Up front, the driver's area maintains that same calm philosophy. The digital displays are elegant and easy to read, not aggressively sporty. The steering wheel feels substantial, wrapped in premium materials, and every button has a satisfying tactile response. This isn't a cockpit designed to excite adrenaline, it's designed to reduce stress. Even after hours behind the wheel, you feel relaxed, not fatigued. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Century SUV takes a very different approach compared to European luxury SUVs. Instead of chasing insane horsepower numbers, Toyota focuses on refinement. The expected high-output hybrid powertrain prioritizes smooth, silent acceleration. Power delivery is linear and effortless, perfect for gliding through city streets or cruising on the highway. There's no drama, no sudden jolts, just calm, confident movement. This isn't about racing a Bentley Bentayga or Lamborghini Urus. It's about arriving refreshed. So let me ask you, does luxury really need to be fast or just effortless? The suspension system plays a massive role here. Adaptive air suspension continuously reads road conditions and adjusts damping in real time. Speed bumps, rough patches, uneven surfaces, everything gets filtered out. The ride quality feels almost floating, isolating passengers from the road without feeling disconnected. Noise, vibration, and harshness levels are astonishingly low. Engineers obsessed over panel gaps, insulation materials, and chassis tuning to achieve near-silent cruising. Even at highway speeds, conversations feel private and music sounds studio clear. Safety is another area where the Century SUV quietly leads. It features the most advanced version of Toyota Safety Sense to date. We're talking predictive collision avoidance, advanced adaptive cruise control with road mapping, lane centering that feels natural, night vision assistance, and real-time driver monitoring. The vehicle doesn't just react, it anticipates. It's like having a calm, intelligent guardian always working in the background. Now let's talk price, because yes, this level of luxury comes at a premium. While official global pricing may vary by market, the 2026 Toyota Century SUV is expected to sit comfortably in ultra-luxury territory, competing with vehicles like the Mercedes-Maybach GLS and Rolls-Royce Cullinan. But here's the difference. You're not paying for a badge that screams status. You're paying for craftsmanship, silence, dignity, and long-term reliability. Do you think that makes it more valuable or less? And finally, the verdict. The 2026 Toyota Century SUV isn't trying to win comparison tests or dominate spec sheets. It exists in its own lane. It's for executives, dignitaries, and individuals who understand that true power doesn't need to shout. Compared to flashy European rivals, the Century SUV feels more mature, more confident, and more timeless. It's luxury without arrogance, technology without intimidation, and performance without stress. So here's the big question to end on. If you had the choice, would you pick loud, aggressive luxury or calm, commanding elegance like the Toyota Century SUV? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I really want to hear your take. If you enjoyed this deep, honest look at the 2026 Toyota Century SUV, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow Motor Verdict Meter for more real-world automotive insights. We break down the cars that matter without the noise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.